The football team of Mynken Christian Higher Secondary School, Ribhoy, selected to participate in the Indo-French Football Tournament in Paris, France, has temporarily postponed its plans. According to team officials, the decision was made due to pending arrangements, including visa processing and securing a training venue. The tournament has been rescheduled to January 2025, with the exact dates to be announced later. Notably, Mynken Christian Higher Secondary School, which secured the runner-up position in the Under-17 Subrata Cup held in New Delhi, along with TG English School from Manipur, was invited by the Subrata Mukherjee Sports Education Society to compete in the Indo-French Football Tournament.